myself Vinod Panara, and in this lecture we discuss about program on mutable data structure. Now what do you mean by mutable? We can change element of that data structure. Okay. So first one, write a Python program to find the sum of all the element in the list. Now list, we know that it is mutable data structure and it is represented by square bracket and all the element of list, that is heterogeneous element. It means it may be integer, float value, then string, etc. And it is separated by comma separator. Okay. So in first program, we find out sum of all the element in the list. Okay. Then first total is equal to 0. Then list 1, it is equal to 1, 5, 19, 12, 21. So list 1 contains 6 element. Then for number in a range 0 to length of list 1, it means now we know that range, that is one type of function, and in range it is given from 0 to length of list 1. Okay, so for number in range 0 to length of list 1. Now length of this list 1, it is 5 element. So length of list 1, that is 5. It means range from 0 to 5. 0 to 5. So for number in a range 0 to 5, it means number is equal to 0, number is equal to 1, number is equal to 2, number is equal to 3, number is equal to 4, but not 5. Okay, so up to 5, 5 that is not included. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then total is equal to total plus list 1 number. Okay, now first number is equal to 0, so total is equal to total. Now initial value of total, that is equal to 0. So this initial value of total, that is transfer here in first iteration. Okay, so total is equal to here 0 plus list 1 number. Now list 1 first number, it is 1. So 1 here. So 0 plus 1, it means 1. So at the end of first iteration in loop, total is equal to 1. Now second iteration, number is equal to, in first iteration number is 0, in second iteration number is equal to 1. So here total is equal to total plus list 1 number. Now here total, not this 0, this total is equal to 0, that is used in first iteration only. In second iteration, total in previous iteration, that is used here. So in previous iteration, total is equal to 1, final total. Total is equal to 1. So here we put 1 plus list 1 number. So second element, that is 5. So 1 plus 5, it is equal to 6. So at the end of second iteration, total is equal to 6. Now third iteration, same way, fourth iteration and same fifth iteration. Clear? So we add all element of list 1 by this loop. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay. And then final value of total after final iteration, that is written. Okay. So print sum of all element in a given list, that is total. So here total is this one. Final total after all iteration, final total transfer here. Okay. So when we run this program, then sum of all element in a given list, that is equal to 58. It means summation of this 1 plus 5 plus 19 plus 12 plus 21. That is 58. Okay. Now this same program we run in a PyCharm. So same program, total is equal to 0, list 1 is equal to 1, 5, 19, 12, 21. Then for num in a range 0 to length of list 1, total is equal to total plus list 1 number. So this loop continue for all element of list 1. Okay, and total is equal to 0. This initial value that is used in first iteration only. Okay, then at last print sum of all element in given list, that is equal to total. So last value of total after last iteration, that is transfer here. Okay, so if we run this program, then output, that is sum of all element in a given list, it is equal to 58. Okay, then second program, write a Python program to add two given list using map and lambda function. So in this program we add two given list, for example list 1 or list 2 example, by using map and lambda function. So first step, that is nums1 is equal to 0, 1, 4. This is one type of list, nums1. Then nums2, this is second type of list, 5, 2 and 3. So first print original list, then print num1 and print num2. So original list num1 and num2, that is print out. Simple. Then result is equal to map lambda x y, then x plus y, and then num1 and num2. Okay, so map function, that is used for modification of every element of list, and map function is also used to add or to multiply corresponding element of two lists. Okay, so here first write down map, then inside the bracket lambda function, and lambda function, that is represented by lambda keyword. So this lambda, that is one type of keyword. Then x, y, x, that is from first list, and y, that is from second list. And which expression that is carried out? X plus y, x plus y, then num1 and num2. So this is list 1, list 2. So here this lambda function is used to add corresponding element of list 1 and list 2. Then print out backward slash n, it means it is in next line. So this is escape sequence character. Result after adding two list, then print list and this result. So this result, that is print out in list form. So in this program, first we print out original list, list 1 and list 2. Then doing some modification on list 1 and list 2. And then we print out final list. Okay. So if we run this program, then original list, it is list 1, 0, 1, 4, then 5, 2, 3, list 2, and result after adding two list, result is 0 plus 5, 1 plus 2, 4 plus 3. So result is 5, 3 and 7. Now this same program we run in a PyCharm. So same one, nums1, that is first list, nums2, that is second list, then print original list, it is equal to print nums1, nums2, then result is equal to map, and in the parenthesis lambda xy, then expression x plus y, then first list and then second list. Then print backward slash n result after adding to list, print list result. So in this program there are two lists and we find out addition of corresponding element of two lists, and it is this final result that is represented in list form. Okay, so if we run this program, then output that is original list 014 and 523 and result after adding two lists 5, 3 and 7. So map function is a use for modification of element of existing list, and it is also used to add or multiply corresponding element of two list. Okay. Then third program, write a Python program to merging two dictionary. Now dictionary, that is one type of data structure, we know that, and it is mutable data structure. We can change value of corresponding key, and dictionary contain number of key value pair. Okay. So in this program, we merging two dictionary. Merge two dictionary. Okay. Then first step, def merge dict1 and dict2. So this dict1, dict2, that is two dictionary. That is one type of argument in a function. And def, we know that it is keyword used to represent function. And merge, it is function name. Then inside the function return dict2 dot update dict1. It means all the key value pair of dict1 that is merged in dict2. Okay. Now we know that dict1 it is A7 B5. This A first key 7 first value, B second key 5 corresponding value, then dict2 D and 6, C and 2 key value. So if we print out merge dict1 and dict2, so this merge dict1 and dict2, it means function calling, because this merge we know that it is function name, and dict1 and dict2 that is argument. So this is compulsory of function calling. Okay. And at last print dict2. Okay. So output is in first one print merge dict1 and dict2. If we print out this merge dict1 and dict2 in this way, then output is none. And if we print out this dict2, it means this one return dict2 dot update dict1. It means all the key value pair that is present in dict1 that is transferred to dict2. So if we print out this print dict2, then C2, A7, B8, D5, this all element of dict1 and dict2 that is combined. And in dictionary there is a no indexing. Okay, remember this one, huh? Okay. Now this same program we run in a PyCharm. So def merge dict1 dict2 return dict2 dot update dict1. Then dict1 it is equal to A7 B5, dict2 it is equal to D6 C2. Then print merge dict1 and dict2. If we print out this one merge dict1 and dict2, then we get none. But if we print out dict2, then by this second step dict2 dot update dict1. It means all the key value pair of dict1 that is transfer into dict2. So if we run this program, then output, that is for first print statement it is none, for second print statement d6 c2 a7 and b5, all the key value pair of dict1 that is transfer into dict2. Okay, so in this lecture we discuss about mutable data structure. It may be list or dictionary. Okay, so this is about today lecture. Thank you for today lecture.